Vegan Lemon Fettuccini Alfredo. Hi, my name is Jenny, and I am a food lover and cooking enthusiast. My channel is for anyone who loves food. Let's try out new, easy recipes together. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss an update. Today we'll cook Vegan Lemon Fettuccini Alfredo. Creamy, rich, and full of flavor, it'll take only 25 minutes from start to ready to eat. Boil 1 pack of egg-free fettuccine in a large pot. Season with salt, save 1 cup of the cooking water from the pasta. Chop the coriander leaves. Prepare a lemon zest, finely grated. You will also need 1 to 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Add 200 milliliters unsweetened soy or almond milk, 200 milligrams soy cream cheese, three tablespoons blanched sliced almonds, 1 tablespoon finely grated lemon zest, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, mix with a blender until smooth. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Heat, and then add the chopped garlic for 1 minute. Add 200 milliliters of the soy milk and ½ cup of the saved pasta water, and cook for 8 minutes. Remove from the heat. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper. And 1/4 cup green chives, chopped. Combine the sauce and the fettuccine. The leftover pasta water may be used to thin out the pasta sauce if needed. Enjoy your Italian vegan lemon fettuccine Alfredo with your friends or family. Watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more easy, delicious ideas.